Elmer's clear glue, and sea glass. And what the heck is this? And what can I make out of these three ingredients? Hi, I'm Cindy, and welcome to my channel. I'm a born and bred native New Yorker, proud mature Latina, cancer survivor, and I discovered my love for watercolors and art in my early 60s. So come with me as we discover what we can make out of these three ingredients and find out what the heck this is. So this video was inspired by Andrea Nelson. I saw a video of hers doing something like this. So I'm like, oh, this looks like fun. I'll check it out. Especially when I have these. Now, I bought these sea glass. This was featured in like 3 Temu hauls ago. Look how tiny these are. Isn't it hysterical? I was laughing hysterical when I got this. I think this was $1 and change, I think. And then I happened to be at Hobby Lobby. I filmed that too. And I got these. This is what I was thinking. This is the size I was thinking. I mean, this is more like it. You know what I mean? Come on. There's a huge difference here. It's hysterical. So, and this at Hobby Lobby was $2.49. So it's a big meal. It's $1 something difference. And look at this. So what I'm going to do is to make a Suncatcher. And Andrea Nelson also made a coaster. So I don't know. I think these two will probably be Suncatchers. I think that would be great. This would be great. So what the heck is this? This is a collapsible water cup or a collapsible cup. Of course, I'll use it as a water cup. You see? Isn't this fun? Isn't this nice? See? It's nice. You just do this, put it here. You even, attach something so it could just dangle in your camping gear or whatever. So that's cool. Very nice. So I'm thinking of using this to create the Suncatcher. But nice, right? Very nice. So that's what this was. So I'm going to use these two items, and this is just a lid from like takeout or something. So I'm going to use that. And what else? This Elmer's glue, of course. I'm thinking of using this straw to create like a hole. Like I'm going to cut it and then put it there, create like a hole so that I could have a little loop I could hang. That's a thought. She didn't do that, but let me see. I'll just cut like an inch, maybe another inch. So these are the ingredients: the Elmer's glue, these two items, and the mosaics, and these sea glass and mosaics. So I'll first put the sea glass down onto the collapsible water cup here. The key thing is to make everything level. Shouldn't be any. I put too much sea glass. No layers. Everything has to be in one level. Okay, that's going to be disqualified. So you do that. Might have a funky shape because this has a funky shape. But hey, the more unique, the better. Let me see if I could just put that in there. Let's see, will that stay? Let me see if I could just move it around a little. Looks like there still might be. Try and level everything. I'm going to just remove some of the glass. So everything could be one level. Let me just move this over here. That there. There. That's more or less good. I think if I keep playing with it, it's going to get worse. So. Okay, so that's good. set you aside for a moment. I'll use these. I'll use you guys. And I'll use these. Wow, look at the difference. Yeah, I think what I should do is be choosy and get rid of the dark ones and the cylinder. Well, maybe the cylinder. Maybe these things might be too chunky. But you know, I should mix it with this too. I should mix it. I'm mixing it with the sea glass because why not? Wow, look at these are huge. Holy moly! This is what I was thinking of. You know, I will put that there. I think this will be okay. I mean, she used like pebbles. These are not pebbles. Let me see. Find myself. Oh, this is gorgeous. I'm gonna use that. Trying to use flat. One level, one level. Oh, this is pretty. You're disqualified. You're beautiful, so you stay there. Well, maybe. Okay. I'll put you here. See if it stays. I think it's gonna need more things to stay there. That one, stay. Okay. I think this is good. You know, this might be too chunky. So let's see. This is gorgeous. It's pretty. No, I could find. Let's see, what colors do we need here? This is a nice amber color, as well as that. That's a nice green. Put that there. Put that there. This, I don't know. If it's too chunky, I'm thinking it could just pop right off. So that's my thought. Squeeze you in somewhere. Maybe I can't squeeze you in. Maybe I could. Well, half the fun is arranging these things. Okay, you're out. Put you over here. So here's where the Elmer's glue comes in. Move it back over here. Move you. Just pour to your heart's content. Pour until you cover everything. I think I went a little too crazy. Oops, didn't want to do that. You didn't see that, did you? Okay. Let's hope. I hope this doesn't. I hope the straw doesn't stick. I'm a little concerned. All right, we'll find out. We'll soon find out, and then I'll do the same here. Trying to get every nook and cranny. All right. Yep. I think I'm seeing a gap here, so I'm going to put some more there. Okay, so now they're fully covered. And now we'll wait until it dries. So I'll set it aside. To be continued, dot, dot, dot. So 3 days later, so let's see. And these straws are firmly in there. Andrea Nelson didn't use straws, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to snip them off. Nobody's going to see. There's going to be a hole there. No one's going to see that there's a straw there. So this is my idea. I'll just flew out. Let's see. Let me do it on both. Yeah, so it flies somewhere. Who knows where that flew? Okay. Moment of truth. All right. Wow. This just popped right out. Oh, look how pretty. Wow. Oh, wow. Nice. Very nice. Let's just pop right out. Let's see if the same thing happens here. With Andrea, she had to peel hers. I remember seeing that. Yeah, like, wow, this came out, this popped out too. And it's thoroughly dry. Thoroughly dry. Awesome. Look how pretty. Came out really pretty. Look at that. Yeah. Look how much Elmer's glue I used. I used like, yeah, you can't really see. I used like that much. But it really came out nice. So what Andrea Nelson did as well is she used Mod Podge as another coating, which is a good idea. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm using gloss because it doesn't matter. Open this up. Okay, that's good. And just sit there for now. I'm going to use this brush, and I'll just put a layer of Mod Podge and let it sit. As another coating. I'm going to do both sides. So I'll do it on that one too, but I'll do it off camera so I won't be boring you to pieces while I'm Mod Podging this. So let's set aside and let this dry. Then I'll do another coat. So I'll do it on this one as well. But what I wanted to show you was I have this string from the dollar store, 99-cent store. I think I'll use that to just put it in there and hang it. Yeah, I'll just put it right through the hole since I have it here. Just put it right through the hole. Just like that. Let it hang. So that's going to be the next scene. You're going to see this hanging. Both of them. Here they are in their glory. It's such a gorgeous day out. I decided to hang them outside rather than my window. Look how the colors just shine through. This won't work in high humid areas with piercing sun because I think it could melt. So places like New York will be perfect for this project. comment below on your thoughts on this. So here they are back inside. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Hit like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.